Hey everybody! Ever heard of a little place called Paris? It's the city of lights, love, and endless charm. Of course you have! It's got the Eiffel Tower, yummy croissants, and those picturesque cafes that make you feel like you're in a movie. But there's something else that makes Paris truly magical. This super famous cabaret called the Moulin Rouge. You know, the one with the giant red windmill? It's not just a landmark, it's a symbol of Parisian nightlife and culture. Yeah, that one. It's been around for over a century, can you believe it? We're talking dancing, singing, and performances that have stood the test of time. And let's not forget the sparkle, enough to make your head spin and your heart race. The Moulin Rouge is all about glitz and glamour. Stick around because we're diving deep into the Moulin Rouge's wild ride through history. From its early days to its modern-day extravaganzas, there's so much to uncover. This ain't your grandma's theater, folks. It's a place where tradition meets innovation, and every night is a spectacle. The Moulin Rouge is an icon. It's been in movies, inspired artists, and has become a cultural phenomenon. And let's talk about those costumes. More sequins than a craft store after Christmas, each one more dazzling than the last. So, buckle up as we spill the tea on this Parisian legend. From backstage secrets to front row thrills, we're giving you the full scoop. From its humble beginnings to its glitzy present, the Moulin Rouge has evolved but never lost its charm. The Moulin Rouge is a story you won't want to miss. It's a tale of passion, creativity, and endless entertainment. So, are you ready to be dazzled? Picture this. It's 1889, Paris is buzzing with the World's Fair, a grand event that has drawn people from all corners of the globe. The city is alive with excitement, innovation, and a sense of wonder. The Eiffel Tower, a marvel of engineering, has just been completed and stands tall as a symbol of modernity and progress. Amidst this vibrant backdrop, two visionary entrepreneurs, Joseph Oller and Charles Zidler, have a brilliant idea. These men are no strangers to the entertainment world. They have a knack for knowing what people want. They're going to open a nightclub. Not just any nightclub, mind you, but one that screams fun louder than you screaming for an encore. They envision a place where the energy is palpable, the music is infectious, and the atmosphere is electric. They call it the Moulin Rouge, which means red windmill in French because, well, it has a giant red windmill on top. Talk about on-the-nose branding. This windmill isn't just a quirky decoration, it becomes an iconic symbol, drawing people in with its promise of excitement and revelry. This place was all about letting loose. Forget stuffy theaters and their fancy rules. The Moulin Rouge was a breath of fresh air, a place where you could leave your worries at the door and immerse yourself in a world of entertainment and joy. The Moulin Rouge was for everyone. It didn't matter who you were or where you came from. This was a place where social barriers melted away, and people from all walks of life could come together to celebrate and have a good time. It was a place to drink, dance, and watch some pretty scandalous shows. The performances were bold, daring, and unlike anything people had seen before. The dancers pushed the boundaries of what was considered acceptable, and the audience loved every minute of it. The can-can, with its high kicks and petticoats, was the star of the show. This energetic and provocative dance captivated the audience, leaving them in awe of the dancers' athleticism and charisma. The can-can became synonymous with the Moulin Rouge, a symbol of its daring spirit. It was a recipe for success, and boy did it take off. The Moulin Rouge quickly became the talk of the town, a must-visit destination for anyone looking to experience the best of Parisian nightlife. Its reputation spread far and wide, attracting visitors from all over the world who wanted to be part of the magic. The legacy of the Moulin Rouge lives on, a testament to the power of creativity, innovation, and the timeless appeal of a good time. The Moulin Rouge opened right smack dab in the middle of the Belle Époque, which is French for beautiful era. It was a time of peace, prosperity, and a whole lot of partying in Paris. Think of it as the city's most fabulous era, and the Moulin Rouge was its beating heart. Artists, writers, and even a prince or two flocked to the Moulin Rouge. They were all drawn to its electric atmosphere and the promise of a good time. It was like Studio 54, but with fewer velvet ropes and way more absinthe. The Moulin Rouge became a place to see and be seen, and its fame spread faster than gossip in a high school cafeteria. The Moulin Rouge was a stage for the stars, honey. And no, we're not talking about the ones in the sky. We're talking about legendary performers like La Goulou and Miss Tinguette. These ladies were the Beyoncé and J-Lo of their time. La Goulou, whose name literally means the glutton, was known for her sassy dance moves and even sassier personality. She was the queen of the can-can, and her energy was contagious. Then came Miss Stingette, a triple threat who could sing, dance, and charm the pants off anyone. She became a global superstar, and her legs insured for a fortune. Fire! Rebuilding and reinvention. Just when the Moulin Rouge was riding high, disaster struck. In 1915, a fire ripped through the building, leaving it a smoldering pile of dreams. Talk about a buzzkill. But the Moulin Rouge is like a phoenix, rising from the ashes. It took 6 years, but the Moulin Rouge was rebuilt, bigger and better than ever. They even added a fancy new auditorium. The show, as they say, must go on. This time around, the focus shifted from can-can to more elaborate reviews with dazzling costumes and sets. Think Vegas, but with more baguettes. Wartime Moulin Rouge keeps going. You think a little thing like World War II could stop the Moulin Rouge? Think again. Even during those tough times, the Moulin Rouge kept its doors open, offering a much-needed escape from the harsh realities of war. Sure, the shows might have been a little tamer, but the spirit of the Moulin Rouge lived on. It became a symbol of resilience, proving that even in the darkest of times, the show must and always will go on. From can-can to cabaret, how shows changed. Over the years, the Moulin Rouge has had more makeovers than a reality TV star. But hey, a little reinvention never hurt anyone. While the can-can will always be part of its DNA, the Moulin Rouge has embraced new styles and trends, keeping things fresh and exciting. From the roaring 20s with its flapper dresses and jazz music to the glamorous reviews of the post-war era, the Moulin Rouge has always been a reflection of its time. Today, the shows are a fusion of classic and modern, featuring a mix of can-can, acrobatics, and even a touch of burlesque. Feathers and rhinestones. What's a Moulin Rouge show like? Imagine a kaleidoscope of color, feathers, and enough rhinestones to make Liberace jealous. That's a Moulin Rouge show in a nutshell. It's a feast for the senses, with elaborate costumes, breathtaking choreography, and a healthy dose of Parisian charm. The dancers, with their killer legs and megawatt smiles, are the heart and soul of the show. They train for years to perfect their craft, and their passion is evident in every high kick and graceful movement. And don't even get me started on the costumes. We're talking thousands of feathers, sequins, and enough glitter to make a disco ball blush. Visiting today, tips for your Moulin Rouge night? Visiting Paris and not seeing a show at the Moulin Rouge is like going to Rome and skipping the pizza. It's just not done. The Moulin Rouge is an iconic symbol of Parisian nightlife, a place where history, glamour, and entertainment come together in a dazzling display. But before you grab your beret and go, here are a few tips to make your Moulin Rouge experience truly unforgettable. From booking your tickets to choosing the perfect outfit, we've got you covered. First things first, book your tickets in advance. This isn't just any show, it's a world-renowned spectacle that draws visitors from all over the globe. This ain't your local community theater, folks. The Moulin Rouge is a hot ticket and shows sell out fast. Don't miss out on the chance to witness this legendary performance. The Moulin Rouge is popular and shows sell out fast. Plan ahead to secure your spot in the audience and avoid disappointment. And while you're at it, why not splurge on dinner and a show? The Moulin Rouge offers a dining experience that is as exquisite as the performance itself. You'll enjoy a delicious French meal while soaking in the atmosphere. Imagine savoring gourmet cuisine as the anticipation builds for the show to begin. Oh, and dress to impress. The Moulin Rouge is a place where elegance meets excitement, so put on your best outfit and get ready to shine. It's not the Met Gala, but a little effort goes a long way. Dressing up adds to the overall experience and makes the night even more special. So follow these tips, and you're sure to have a magical night at the Moulin Rouge. More than a nightclub, Moulin Rouge in pop culture. The Moulin Rouge isn't just a nightclub, it's a cultural icon. It's been featured in countless movies, TV shows, songs, and even inspired a Broadway musical. Talk about staying power. Who could forget Nicole Kidman and Ewan McGregor belting their hearts out in the 2001 movie Moulin Rouge, or the countless other films and TV shows that have used the Moulin Rouge as a backdrop for romance, intrigue, and good old-fashioned fun. It's safe to say that the Moulin Rouge has earned its place in pop culture history. Forever Moulin Rouge still dazzling after all these years. From its humble beginnings in 1889 to its status as a global icon, the Moulin Rouge has come a long way, baby. It's weathered fires, wars, and changing trends, but one thing remains constant: its ability to dazzle and delight audiences. The Moulin Rouge is more than just a nightclub, it's a symbol of Parisian joie de vivre, a celebration of life, love, and the enduring power of entertainment. So the next time you're in Paris, do yourself a favor and experience the magic of the Moulin Rouge. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the link in the bio or in the description to get discounts on Paris hotels and great travel deals. Rosaline Goldworld collects great travel experience for you. See you again in the next video.